Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we are going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series where we will be unboxing packages from the previous week. Oh my gosh, this was an insane week for packages. I just want to say thank you so much to each and every brand who was kind enough to send me packages in the mail. What I'm doing is I've saved a lot for next week too because we will be going out of town. That way you guys don't have any droughts of Mail Haul Monday. So I am saving some of the packages, but we have a ton to unbox, to swatch, to play with, and I'm so excited. So anyways, really quick before we get started, if you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then mail hauls every single Monday. And then also make sure that you do hit that bell notification. That way you're part of the notification squad and you will also get notified as soon as I upload. But I'm very excited to dive into these packages. Thank you guys for continuing to watch this series and just be so supportive of these kind of videos. I feel so lucky that you guys love them and you continue to watch them. So thank y'all so much. And there's a giveaway coming this week, so stay tuned for that. And let's dive into the packages. So the very first package actually came from Huda Beauty, and I mean, let's get real. I had to go ahead and open this because I was so excited. I've not been very good at saving all of my packages because I'm just like a child at Christmas when packages show up at our house. Save this bubble wrap for the giveaway. I have lots of lights and this is very reflective, but here's what the package looks like. She sent over 3 of her highlighter palettes, and it's so funny because whenever stuff arrives, I get so excited that like Snow will be home and I'll be like, oh my gosh, can you please just go ahead and open it and like send it to me? And when I first felt the package, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is really heavy, a lot heavier than just like this palette. And I realized that there is a secret drawer. So here are all 3 of the palettes in their glory. They're so beautiful. I haven't ever tried her highlight palettes, so we're going to swatch them and just kind of see what they look like. I'm so excited for this. So the first one is the newest one that she came out with, and this is the Bronze Sand Edition. So here's what the packaging looks like. And then when you open it up, to me, this is going to be a palette more for like darker skin tones or more tan skin tones. This would be something I would probably gravitate toward in the summertime when I'm more tan. So it says, well, this is different. Okay. Since I haven't ever used these palettes, I'm just trying to make sure that I have everything right on here. Okay, so basically it has this as step 1, 2, 3, and 4. So step 1, it says, apply as a base to smooth the skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. And then for number 2, it says, from cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. Number 3 is to sculpt under cheekbones and add dimension and shape. And then number 4 is going to be for the apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. So this is supposed to be like the highlight, bronze, and blush. I did not know that. So the first shade is a cream, which you guys know I'm so excited about because I have been loving creams. Ooh, that is pigmented. And I'm just going to swatch all 4 of them on my hand so you guys can see them. Okay, so here are all those swatch. Wow, these are so gorgeous and reflective. So there they are up close and personal. I'm so sad I took out a chunk of that one. So again, this is the newest one, and this is the Bronze Sand Edition. So the way that I feel about it is that one's really going to be for like darker skin tones. And then I feel like the Golden Sands Edition is going to be for like more medium skin tones. And then the very last one, which is the Pink Sands Edition. Let me put these side by side. I feel like that's going to be more for lighter skin tones. You see what I'm saying? This one has like lighter shades, like a whiter highlight. This one I feel like is more for medium skin tones, and then the other one's for darker. So let's swatch this just so that way you guys can see them. Plaid. But I'm excited to use these. Ooh, so this is the golden one. Yes, the Golden Sands. Okay, so there's that plaid. Oh my gosh, I cannot get over how gorgeous this is. And even like that blush shade is so pretty. So this one is the golden one. Blonding. And again, this is the very last one. This is the Pink Sands. And I love all these shades. They're so gorgeous. I'm definitely going to use these in a first impressions video for sure. I may actually film that tomorrow. I'm on a pre-filming roll, you guys, trying to get everything ready for when we go out of town. What was I doing? Like, why did I not have these already? These are so freaking lit, basically. So pretty. So that is the very last one, the pink one. So I cannot wait to play with these. I mean, I'm excited it has like the one cream shade because you guys know I'm into creams right now. I don't know what's going on. Who am I? But thank you so much to the Huda Beauty team for sending over this amazing package. I am so excited to play with everything. Okay, next package we have is from Jouer. First off, look how cute this box is. So they sent over their high pigment pearl lip glosses. And I did want to do like a swatch video for you guys, but what I decided is I have nude lipstick on and we can just take that off and swatch them on the lips. That way you guys can see them applied. Switching it up on this mail haul. We're just going to do it. Here are what the shades look like in all of their glory. So the first one is called Maui. It's like a really pretty iridescent pink shade. Peachy pink, really. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love the way they smell too. This is Maui. Let me zoom y'all in. Maui. I'll try to leave the name too on the screen because I know some of these I might butcher the name. Okay, next one is Ebates. Ebates is like a really pretty lavender. Ooh, these are definitely pearlized. There's that one, Ebates. Okay, this is a name I'm not going to not pronounce good, so I'm just gonna leave it below. Ooh, it's almost like a bronze. These are so freaking comfortable. So here is that one. They have a non-sticky formula. They're paraben free and they also contain coconut oil. Probably why they're so soft. Riviera is the next one. And it's like, kind of like a corally red shade. Oh, look at that pigment. There is that one swatched. Here's the next one and it's called Sahara. This one's probably my least favorite. Very brown. There's that one swatched. Tulum. And the worst thing are these are all places, so that's why I don't want to butcher them either. This one is like a really pretty, like matches my shirt really well. Almost, or like metallic too. Okay, last one is Maldives, and this one is the very darkest. It's very plum. This one definitely needs some more building, which is pretty normal for like a darker shade. There is that. So thank you so much to Jouer for this wonderful package. Like I said, I just want to try them on for you guys, but let me know if you picked any of them up. I'll leave everything we talk about down below as always, but very comfortable and I really like a lot of the shades, so I can't wait to keep wearing these. So thank you so much to Jouer. Let me take this shade off. Okay, the next package we have came from Becca, and this is their new highlight. It actually is already out. It released on the 19th and it's $38. This is so pretty. So it actually has the Eiffel Tower on it. And here's what the packaging looks like that they sent it in for this collab. And then here's what it looks like when you open it up. I love Becca highlights. Ooh, no, this one is gorgeous. It's like a really pretty pink, but it has like gold iridescent in it. Well, you can see it, but it's just so gorgeous. This is like really pretty. Oh, yes. I mean, oh, it is so pretty. I love it because it also has like a little bit of gold, which I really like. I need to like spray my face again. Woo! So thank you so much to Becca for that package. I already love the highlighters so much, so thank you. Okay, next package we have came from e.l.f. I'm like really liking that highlight. This says, hello gorgeous, we're excited to share our brand new collaboration with you. Okay, so this is a new collab that e.l.f. is doing. So let's open it up and see what, ooh, very bright colors. So bright green packaging here. Ooh. Oh yeah. All right. So it looks like they sent over a couple different things. So they sent over a liquid lip primer, a lip exfoliator, and a lip color remover. I don't think these are part of the collaboration, obviously. And then the two shades that they sent over, these are the matte lipsticks for the collection. So the first one is this beautiful hot pink shade. I'll give you guys a close-up of that. And then the second one is like this really pretty baby pink. I'm not going to swatch these only because I'm going to save them for you guys for a giveaway. For me, I just don't wear a ton of like hot pink or baby pink shades. So there are those right there, but they look absolutely gorgeous. I'm honestly so obsessed with this packaging. And also I think they came out with a eyeshadow palette as well that looked really pretty. So I'll leave a link down below for those items. So thank you so much to e.l.f. Okay, the next package came from IGK. I showed you guys this on Snapchat. This actually was already open when it came to my house, which is really weird. So I don't know, like, there wasn't any products missing or anything, but somebody definitely had opened it. So first off, when you open it up, it says IGK Light Club, and it says a new way to dry shampoo, and I'm so freaking excited about this. So it says not all dry shampoos are created equal. And then they sent over the cutest little bag, and it has a bunch of stuff for like flying. So they sent over some like name tags and different things. Let me show you guys. So the first thing they sent over was this little pin and it says Flight Club. I don't know if you guys will be able to, there it is. And then they sent over these cute little like earbuds to put in your ears to like cancel out noise. And then we have these catching flights, not feelings. And these are like, you know, what goes over your eyes when you're trying to sleep on a flight. And then these name tags, so it says I only fly first class, and then one says jet lag repeat, and then the last one says direct flight to perfect hair. I think these are so freaking cute, and I just think it is so adorable and sweet that they sent these over. And it's really cool because I'm about to be going out of town so I can use them. Okay, now what I'm most excited about is I did not realize that they had different dry shampoos. So the first one is called Direct Flight, and this is the multitasking dry shampoo for medium cleanse volume. And here's what it looks like. And it says the texturizing, volumizing, invisible dry shampoo. You guys know I love dry shampoo. I like literally hate washing my hair, so I love dry shampoo. So this is the medium one. The next one we have is the lightweight one. So I guess this is for like day 2 of not washing your hair. This is the lightweight cleanse level. Weightless and buildable and gentle. And again, this one's a medium cleanse level. And then the last one is, okay, so this one's called Jet Lag. This one's called Direct Flight. And then this one's called First Class. I love it. So First Class is a charcoal detox dry shampoo. It says it is a deep cleanse level, detoxifying, oil erasing, scalp soothing dry shampoo. Y'all, I'm excited about this. Like, you guys will be hearing back from me because I'll definitely be trying these out. I cannot freaking wait. So thank you so much to IGK. I'm gonna let you guys know how the results are on these, if they're worth it, because I know that I think they're a little bit pricier. I normally use Batiste, so they're definitely more than Batiste, but I'm gonna let you guys know if they're worth it, and I will kind of keep you updated, especially because the Sephora spring sales normally in April, so that way you guys can get a discount. But again, thank you so much to IGK for this package. I am just so pumped about it. The last couple packages came from Octoly. So the first one came from Guerlain, the first and second one actually. And I think some people pronounce it Guerlain, some people pronounce it Guerlain, but anyways. So here is what the packaging looks like. This is so neat. So it is a roll ink liner. So it's basically supposed to be really good for your lash line. It's a long lasting ink, waterproof, no transfer, and it's supposed to be easy to glide on. Just definitely expect a tutorial using this because I'm really excited about it. So here's what the packaging looks like. Nice and sleek, and then it has this little mini, hopefully you guys can see it, like roller ball. So let's try it on my hand. That is really neat. I feel like on the first swipe you have to kind of like swipe back, like the very beginning it gets a little bit like less pigmented, but oh my goodness, I just want to like roll it all over my hand. Okay, I'm excited. I feel like this would create like a really nice sharp wing, and also it would be really good to get like really thin eyeliner like right on. Obviously I like went really thick with mine today, but I feel like this would be good to get it very thin. So thank y'all so much. I cannot wait to try this. And then, okay, it's definitely waterproof because it's like not coming off. So the next package that they sent over is right here, and this is a lip and cheek tint, and it says it is a plumping effect as if the cheeks have been lovely pinched and the lips have been delicately bitten. A universal pink, so it reacts with the skin's pH for the palest pink to the most intense hue. That is really awesome. It has a moisturizing texture, so it leaves no marks or dryness on the skin. And it has a buildable application. So I feel like now that I have been liking creams, I'm going to be even more into like using liquid products. This is like hot pink. Like the packaging, it's so cute. I feel like the color is being washed out, but it is like bright pink. Okay, so you take the little heart off the top, and then let's see how you apply it. Oh, so it almost is like a nail polish applicator. Oh, so this is pretty. Let's try it on our lips. I know you can't really tell because I have nude on, but such a different product. And then let's see what it looks like when you rub it out. Oh, this would be really good too on like no makeup days. So just like throw this on the cheeks and on the lips. And it also has like a cooling effect to it when you first put it on. So I will definitely have to be trying this out for you guys. I want to do like, again, a no makeup like first impressions type video. I know there's been a lot of like tinted moisturizing products coming out, so I definitely want to like try some of those out and do like a wear test. So thank you so much for this package. Next package from Octoly. I'm not sure what this is. Ooh. Okay, so this is from Ofra and Octoly. This is the Pink Sand Face and Body Mineral Shimmer. This looks Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say. Words cannot express how excited I am right now. Just watch this. Oh my goodness. So it's like a really pretty, like pinky shimmer. Oh my gosh. Where have you been? Do you see this? I mean, this is like blinding. I don't feel like I've heard about these before. Look how pretty they are. You know, let's get my highlight brush out and just swirl this on the cheeks real quick. I'm gonna have like 25 highlights on my cheeks. I feel like that amped my game up even more. Highlight on Felique. I just like really lightly dusted on here. Yes, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much to Ofra. I wish you guys could just see like the shimmer. I would love to put this in like a moisturizer and put it all over. I mean, it's just so pretty. I don't even know if you guys can tell like in the packaging, but it is just like so shimmery. Ooh, so thank y'all so much for that package. And then very last package. Ooh, okay. This came from Clarins and this is the SOS primer, and let's see if it has any information noted. So it says the SOS primer is a range of complexion bases developed to offer a targeted color correction for different skincare concerns. So the one that they sent over is the like purple shade, and this is basically going to like make your skin bright and light. Maybe not light, but bright. You guys know what I mean. And it comes with a little, ooh, this is like a very, almost like thick primer, really. Here's like what it looks like. But I feel like if you have a redness, they have a green one. I feel like it would be really good. But I probably wouldn't even use this big of a pump on my entire face. So I cannot wait to try this out and just see how it just makes the skin look. And I can't wait to test it. So thank you so much to Clarins for that package. And you guys, that is going to complete this Mail Haul Monday video. And you will get ooh. So, ooh, oh, why did I just do that? Here we go. Okay, so this again is, okay. Oh, okay. Something flew out. Oh, something flew out, a product flew out. I know there's been a lot of like tinted So this is from Ulta. Oh my God, the Ulta. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And as always, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.